Hey everyone, my name's Joe. I'm a gamer pop artist, and today I'd like to show you a little something that I think you could send to your friends. It's part of my Irreverent series, so kind of dependent on you having a friend that you joke around with and that you don't mind, like you love them, but you gotta give them that little. Eh. So this one involves a vacuum cleaner, and the main message is you suck with power and efficiency. So anyway, hope you like it. Yeah, I'll show you. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to do the pencils, inks, and then final colors with the Derwent Inktense pencils. So stay tuned. Thanks. Okay, so for this one, I'm starting with my Pentel 0.5 millimeter 2B pencil, and let's just get in there. So it's a vacuum cleaner. So let's get this. Gotta get the bag in there. Where the bag opens. Bottom. Let's see. The shape. From here. Let's put some wheels on the back. Crosshair. So Hoover would be what I could use, but let's write something different. Let's write heaved. Back here, let's put this plug. Line back there. Let's put some motion back there, and then this up here is you suck. And then down here is with, oops, not power, and efficiency. Next, we got to put the burst behind here because then it's like a fake ad. Make some dust balls, put some lines in there, channel it around, sign it. And I guess I should have turned off my the sound on my phone. I might have to do that real quick because you guys are important, and I should have shut it down sooner, but I did. Okay, so now inks. Let's we'll go with them. I'm gonna go with 1 millimeter. Especially for this big text up top. Let's just make it look like it's crazy. So let's scribble it in. Ooh, I want to make this a heart. Something bigger. And then this text down here, I'm going to shift over to the 0.7. I want to try and be careful with this text because I want this to look like it's more, I guess, printed. Power. And efficiency. Okay, now to the 0.4. Back here, power cord, line. Looks like it put some curves in there so it looks like it bulged. Alright. Not sure if I like heaved. Some Hoover. Let's maybe stick with the theme. What about if I call this thing Loser? Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. Oop. L-O-S-E, Loser. Some lines in there to give it a little bit of a shadow. Let's continue this line across. And sign it. I'm going to put some cross hatching in here. Because I think these things are a little bit too... I'll put some right back here. With that. Alright, let's erase. See if we need to add anything. Entirely possible. Scrub a dub with the eraser. Alright, give it a little sweep through. Sweep-a-rooney. Okay, yeah, I think, you know what, I'm going to actually come in with, instead of just the 0.4, I'm going to come in with the 0.1 and add some cross-hatching to some zones. Give this a little more depth. More depth and texture. That helps a lot. Some to the handle. Just a little extra. More down here. Okay. Color it. Let's see. Let's make the ground Payne's gray. So this will be nice because I'm going to make that power and efficiency all yellow. Like it's one of those gold badges. I don't want to add too much to the front here, because I want it to look like it's swirling in. Let's make the Let's make this bag Shiraz colored here. Red vacuum cleaner seems appropriate. Some of these. Vacuum cleaner, it's got to look a little bit racy. Okay. Heart's going to go here. Okay, this is all yellow. Let's add a little bit back here, just to I think I'm going to put just a little bit. Let's make this kind of tan. So just a little bit of this baked earth. And I'm going to add some chili red to these. Shiraz. Redden it up a little bit. Take it away from just being the purple. And out the cover. Let's make it. Just give it a little bit of the little Payne's gray. Okay, I'm double checking that my brush is cleaned off. Let's get the yellow. This way, if I do the yellow first, I'm less likely to contaminate it too much with the other colors. That's my theory. So let's get the Payne's gray in there. Let things pop. Let it feed over to that wheel. The center here. Get my big fat fingers out of the way. I'm trying to follow the lines. I don't want to scumble it too much because I'd like it to look like it's blending. Okay. Reds. Go down the pike. Be a little careful with that edge, it won't be hard. Right. Color here. And off the brush. This. See if it'll make it look tan a little bit. Okay, that's it. You suck with power and efficiency. Which is good. Yeah. You suck with power and efficiency. So, hope you enjoyed that. That's the latest in one of my irreverent series. I don't know if I'll do more, but I'll do them as they come. So, Hope you like it. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And yeah, hit the bell icon if you want to have notifications. Currently, I'm posting daily. So thanks a lot. Love you all. Ciao.